Hey guys, Phil from the Canadian Outdoor Enthusiasts. As you saw in the intro, all my pistols is what I bring to the range. A lot of people have been asking me how I bring my pistol to the range. Well, if I'm going to have a full day at the range, I usually bring what you've seen in the intro. I was lucky enough to get a nice Pelican case for free, so I decided to use that. Dale, if you want to zoom in on the case, this isn't actually a Pelican case. It's a UK brand, Canadian product. It's the same thing as a Pelican case. It's got the seal around it, all around. You probably won't see, it's too dark, but you see the seal around it. It's totally waterproof and humidity proof. So what I've done is I've gotten a whole bunch of pieces of foam, a lot of honeycomb foam and flat pieces of foam. So in order to bring all this to the range with me, I've mags, guns. What I've done is I put a piece of foam down as the first layer, right? And I've cut out on the other piece of foam where I lay all out my mags. Okay, so over here are my MP9 mags, my Sigma mags, my CZ mags, my Maglula Upluft quick loader, my 357 quick loader. I also have 22 rifles that I bring to the range once in a while, and I didn't want to lose all my mags, so I ended up putting them in here as well, but that's me. You don't always have to do that. Now, put that down. It's safe. That's layer 1. Layer 2 is the same thing. Another piece of foam goes down. I've cut out the inserts where the gun goes and where the spare mag goes. So I usually put one gun, mag in the gun, mag beside it. If I have any extra mags, they go down there. Now you can see this is really flimsy right now, right? Well, that's because it's not a full. I still have room for 2 other pistols here. What I've done, when it is full, okay, I've actually bought the Gorilla foam glue and glued it all together. So once I'm at the range, this goes in here. I pull it out. All the guns are already trigger locked. Pull it out, put it on the table. I'm good to go. So I have 4. Let's say I can put 4 in here, and I have an extra layer. They can put 4. So therefore this case can actually let me have 12 pistols in one easy case. This is the top, like so. So Dale, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this to the table. Oh, also the case actually has wheels with the handle, which is extremely nice. It's also got the places to put your padlocks. That's why it's a legal case, because the triggers are locked and the case is locked. Keep in mind, when we bring firearms to the range, everything's got to be trigger locked and the case has to be locked, so this will pass. Okay. So, make things simpler, I'll show you how I load this up. Over here are my pistols. So as you can see here, I have room for my speed loader, right? These are the 22 mags that I have in here just not to lose them, right? Now keep in mind, once I have this full, I will glue this and it won't be as flimsy. Got my 9 mags. These 2 go in the pistol. Those go in the pistol. Extra I'm in 22 mag for my pistol. my CZ mag, and 240 mags. Get rid of the dog hair. And my speed loader. So this technically is my first layer of my gun case. So down like this it goes. The top goes here. Since I don't have enough pistols to fill this up, I have a spare layer that goes down, so like that, and I could have 4 pistols here. Over here again, set another layer. Right, so over here I put my 357 Magnum. They're all safety checked. These are going back in the safe, so this is just to show you. They're all trigger locked usually when I bring them, but now they're going back in the safe, so they don't need to be. So the Sigma, I usually leave one in the mag, in the gun. Spare mag. Now over here, Dale, I can show you. I can show the viewers that once it's all glued, how much stronger it is. So 1911. MP. Dale's favorite gun, the M&P 22. It's a great gun, guys. Cheap to shoot, lots of fun. One of my favorites, the CZ75. So now that it's all glued, like I said, I can just carry this and it's a lot stronger. It does wobble, but from the case to the range, it's not a big deal. So this would be my first layer, top of the other ones, right? Now keep in mind, once I go to the range, all these are trigger locked, okay? I have this locked with these clamps. And then I would put a padlock here and a padlock on this side. Now what else am I missing, guys? Yes, if you would have seen our first Canadian Gun Law Part 1, you would have noticed that if I bring this to the range, I'm also missing my registration cards for every pistol and my permit, my transfer permit to bring these to the range. However, I don't keep those in here. I keep them all on me. So if I get pulled over, I say, yes, I have weapons officer in my trunk. Here's the transfer permits. Here are the registration. I'm on my way to the range. There's nothing you can do. I'm legal. Anyway, that's it for now. Have a good one.